It's just so easy to go back to the things that you're used to, okay? The sun gray, we gon' shine, let's bound and parlay. No. Yes. How y'all doing today? It's your girl Glass House Maya. You know nobody flyer. Well, who's this calling me? Hold on. Let me see who this is. What is up, vlog? It's your girl Glass House Maya. You know nobody flyer. What am I saying? You know nobody flyer, okay? Yeah. I'm in the car. So let's have a little talk. Throughout, I would say the past, since about 2019, I have changed a lot of my things about myself, about my life, my attitude, how I look at things, my perspective, all of that, right? And I just want my listeners to know that you don't have to be who you were yesterday, a year ago, 2 days ago, an hour ago. All right? There's always an opportunity for you to be better, and there's always an opportunity for change. I just want you to know that as I grow, which is what this channel is about, things will be changing. That's just inevitable. That's how it is. Okay? So certain things I may not be interested in anymore, and certain things I may pick up that I am interested in. One of the things for me is my health, okay? I'm trying to get my health all the way together. At times I have acid reflux flare-ups because I catch myself slipping. And then I know it, and then I don't stop doing it. You know what I'm saying? If you watched the last video, I believe it was the last vlog, okay? You see me eating. If you watched all the way to the end, you see me eating a bag of hot cracklings, okay? Now, I know good and well that I'm not supposed to be eating nothing hot, nothing spicy, none of that. And there I was eating it. Not to mention, I had to think about it. I had to think back because, I'm about to tell you what happens to me when I do this. But I had to think back for a little while, like, what else did I eat? Because it couldn't have just been one thing. I ate a cheeseburger, which I don't even eat beef. But I ate a cheeseburger. And I had stopped eating regular cheese. But I was eating cheese. What else? It was just a series of things as I thought back about it. Like, I shouldn't have ate that. I shouldn't have ate that. I shouldn't have ate that. Nope. And I was doing so well, But I think what it is just when you're changing your eating habits, it's just so easy to go back to the things that you're used to, okay? And a little bit harder to choose something different. As well as you get tired. At least I do. I don't know about y'all. You can comment down below. But I get tired of eating the same things. Like, it's only so many fruits and vegetables and, other things like that I'm willing to eat all the time. So I like a switch up. All right. I ain't never been the type of person that just eat the same thing all the time. So that's one of the things. And what happens to me, I'll be out of commission for like at least a week to get back right. Like, it burns so bad, bro. Like, so bad. And yeah, I know I got medicine that I get out the store. Not no prescribed. I don't take no prescribed medicine. But I got medicine, heartburn relief medicine, stuff like that that I have from the store, but in those moments, I didn't think I needed to take it. So I didn't take it, and therefore, but what it does is I can really feel the burn and I can't sleep at night. I can't lay down at night. I have to sit up. It disrupts a lot of things besides just my body. It disrupts my sleep. It disrupts me like for a week, at least a week. So I'm just now like getting back right. I don't even feel like 100%, maybe like 85% right now. But I just want you to know that you don't have to be the same. All right? Choose to be different sometimes. Do what you do, but do what's best for you. As long as you're doing what's best for you, then you can not go wrong. You know what I'm saying? So, like I said, I have to switch up a lot of my habits. That's just one of them. You know, I want to get dental work. You know, that's another health thing that I want to do. But other than that, you know, physically, I feel fine. I feel amazing. But when these type of things happen to me, it drains me. It takes away my energy, and I don't enjoy the feeling. So if I know, which I do know, that I can do something to not have that feeling, then I'm going to do that. I've always been like that. If something made me feel a certain way after eating it, after drinking it, taking it, whatever, then I'm not gonna mess with it no more. Okay? That's why I don't drink sodas. We're not even gonna get on sodas. I don't know what that feels like anymore. Like that acid going down my throat and eating up my esophagus. I don't know what that feels like anymore. So but anyways, yeah, I don't drink sodas. I don't do alcohol. It's just, I really be like out here searching for like vegan type of stuff or plant-based stuff, because it makes me, I can't explain it. It just makes me not feel sluggish. Not feel like there's a fire burning inside of my body. Yeah, so I haven't had a flare up in a while. So to have one, this one ain't bad. I've had worse. I mean, to the point where my heart is racing so fast because it's been bad. Okay, if you know, then you know it's been bad, but it ain't bad this time. But I just, and you know what's crazy about me is when I was putting that stuff in my mouth, I was literally telling myself I shouldn't be eating this. And yet, there I was, still putting it in my mouth. I don't even know how we got on this, but be your best self, okay? Do what you need to do to keep yourself uplifted, healthy, inspired, strong, and, you know, in a healthy state of mind. Because what I do know for sure is that nobody else can do it for you. And on that note, I'm going to leave it at that. It's your girl, Glass House Maya. You know, nobody flyer. Have a beautiful day. Make today amazing, whatever day you watch this on. All right? Share this video. Hit the like button. Comment down below. Subscribe and turn on your bell notification so that you can be notified when I upload another video. And again, I just thank you for being here. Peace. I do know where I was going with this video. I just don't want you to feel like, or have somebody tell you that because you're changing or you're choosing to grow, that you know, shouldn't be different. All right? You have a right to grow. You have a right to change. You have a right to be different. You have a right to be healthy. And if that's your choice, then you do what you do and don't worry about everybody else and what they got to say about it. Because at the end of the day, this is your body. All right? This is your physical body. All right? So you take care of it. You take care of you.
Got me feeling like it's Sunday evening. Sun going down, but ain't nobody leaving. NMC,